Today we will be testing the Schaff trend cycle indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the Schaff trend cycle indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 63 different strategies, with 16 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 823 indicators, with 335 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 30 of the winning indicators. 10 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, the best one a 76% win rate. Now keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today we are doing an advanced testing of the Schaff trend cycle indicator, and you can see it here on the bottom of the screen. And so in the original testing video, I believe this was able to do 9 trades within 1 year's time. And so we did drop the time frame of this down to the 12-hour time frame to make up for that difference there. Anything over 10 trades in 1 year's time, we keep it on the daily time frame. Any indicator that does 10 or less trades, we drop the time frame down so that way we can see if we can get more trades in a reasonable number of trades within say 1 year time or so. And so we did adjust the stop and take profit as well, and so we cut the stop and take profit in half in this particular case. And the way we tested this in the original video was that we looked for the dots, and so we have the green dots and the red dots. Green dots are going to be part of a long signal. The red dots, as you can probably guess, are going to be part of a short signal. But we didn't look for just the green dots and red dots. Actually added an extra step into the original video, and that is when we get a red dot for a short signal, the next candle needed to be a red candle. And if that was the case, then both the criteria was met, and we would then take a short position, a short signal. On the opposite side, if we got a green dot, then the next candle needed to be a green candle, and then at the close of that green candle, we would then take a long trade, a long signal. And so let's look at a couple instances of that right here. So you can see right here, we have a couple really nice red candles, and we pick up that red dot right here on this big red candle. This following candle right here, even though it's kind of hard to see and it's not very big, was actually a red candle. If I zoom in here really close, you can see that it is a red candle right there. Like I said, very small, not big at all, but red nonetheless. And so that would meet all the criteria for a short signal. And so the close of this candle here, the open of this candle here would be our entry. And then again, that would be a short trade. And it looks like we dropped down to about 66 pips in this case, which would have gotten us to our take profit. So right here, we have a green dot, and the green dot happens on a red candle, and that is fine. We're not worried about that. The red dot and the color of that candle do not have to match. It's the next candle that we are worried about. And then the next candle you can see here is a green candle, and it looks like we hit about 45 pips right there at the top of that wick of that candle right there, which would have gotten us to our take profit. Looks like we pick up another short signal right here on this one. Again, a red dot, and the next candle is a red candle, and we get a pretty decent little drop in price there to about 148 pips is where it is, about there. And so that's how we tested it in the original video. What I'm going to do now is go ahead and fast forward through the 50 trade test, and then we'll pick it up on the other side to take a look at what it was able to achieve over the advanced testing. All right, so that's going to put us at the end of the advanced testing right there. I'd like to give a quick shout out to our Discord server. So this is our Discord server here. It is free. You're welcome to join most of these channels here. Like I said, they're free to join. You're welcome to join and take part of the conversations in those channels. But we do have a Patreon only channel set up just for our patrons to take advantage of some great advanced information. For example, one of our members, Sasquatch here, is an awesome Forex prop trader. He's putting up charts like this on a regular basis where he's marked out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest, and chart analysis that he has done of the Forex market. He's currently on vacation due to the holidays, and so he hasn't been posting a lot here recently, but typically every single week he is posting on a regular basis, maybe once a day, twice a day, a couple times a day, just really depends. We have some of our other members here that are also posting some charts, some positions that they got into that they were successful, good positions that they took some profits on, some indicators or systems that they were kind of playing with, and just kind of general chart analysis, things that we find interesting, videos, links to different information. All in all, just a really great, wonderful environment. Everybody's helping everybody out, supporting everybody, and really helping everybody grow as a trader. So I highly recommend that you join us. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at the results of the advanced test. All right, so in the advanced testing, we did 50 trades like normal. Out of those 50 trades, we got 28 winning trades. We got 22 losing trades. Plus that puts us at a 56% win rate. And so obviously that is not going to meet the 60% criteria that we are looking for. This is another one of those indicators where I feel like with a little bit of tweaking, it could have a much better win rate, and you have the potential of also taking more trades, which we didn't get into because of the rule that we set, where the candle on the next candle being the color of the dot rule. I think maybe if we set that up to where instead of the candle, the next candle being the color of the dot, maybe we could do a break of that candle, the signal candle, I guess it would be, the dot candle. Maybe a break of that candle would be a good entry. I'm not really sure. It just feels like maybe there is a little bit of a better way to play around with this and see if we can't dial it in a little bit more, even though it didn't meet the 60% criteria or maintain the 60% criteria that we're looking for. I definitely feel like this one also kind of has the ability to do much better. And so it is, though, going to go on the no list in this particular case, but that doesn't mean that we can't play around with it in our spare time and see if we can't come up with a few different little tweaks that may actually make this a lot better of an indicator, and then utilize it in some other system possibly. And so just because it doesn't meet the specific criteria that we're looking for in this case does not mean it's a bad indicator, does not mean that it's a useless indicator. I think it definitely has merit still. So all right, that's it for this one. I'm going to go ahead and call it here, and we will move on to the next video from here.